Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. I'm here with a quick silver hair journey update. I just want to show you guys what my hair has been looking like since I've dyed my hair the last time in mid-February. So I haven't dyed my hair in 3 months and I want to show you my roots and my process so far. So this is the most gray I've been since forever. I always dye my hair every 2 or 3 months, so the middle of my hair is definitely more gray than the rest. The sides and the back of my hair is more salt and pepper kind of gray, and the middle, as you see, is totally gray. It's a short update. I don't know if you guys are interested in my gray journey. I mean, like, you should be interested since this is me now. But yeah, let me know if you want a more in-depth video or more detailed video. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Would you love to see that? And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this short video and I will see you in my next one. No, I will not see you in my next one. Why do people until the next one? Bye.